Hello everyone, next we will assemble the wings. These are the parts and tools used in the bonding process. We took out the foam adhesive and brush and first glued the plastic parts at the wing root. Apply a layer of foam adhesive to the bonding area between the foam and plastic parts and try to spread it evenly. Finally, secure the wing root plastic part inside the foam part and press it firmly. Next, prepare to glue the connector housing and servo housing studs. Apply a little foam adhesive to the stud, then insert it into the hole and press it flat. Apply foam adhesive to the sides of the two servo housings, then press the studs in place. Install the servo cover, apply foam adhesive to both sides, and then press it firmly. The rudder and foam were also coated with foam adhesive and compacted. Finally, tighten the rudder angle with M to 8 mm screws. Apply foam adhesive to the hinge contact surfaces, but leave the pivot points uncoated. Apply foam adhesive to both ends of the hinge, but do not apply it to the shaft. Use a screwdriver to press the hinge in, making sure to tighten it firmly. Prepare a sharp knife to make a slit in the aileron, and try to cut it as neatly as possible. Install the servo mount, paying attention to the servo opening direction for easy cable routing. Apply foam adhesive to both the mounting base and the foam contact surface, then press firmly. Tighten the locking hook with an M2/8 screw, making sure the hook is facing downwards. Fold the ailerons a few times to increase smoothness. If there is foam adhesive at the hinge, it needs to be cleaned. That concludes our wing bonding process. The other wing is bonded using the same method.